Welcome back everyone. Today, instead of the usual printing and painting video, we're going to fix a problem. Like many of you, I use SD cards a lot, mainly to transfer videos from camera to the PC. And yesterday, when I inserted my flash drive with SD card to the PC, I got this error. The directory name is invalid. I found an easy working solution to recover all your files and decided to share it with everyone. If you have this problem and want to solve it, follow these steps. Open your browser and type DMDE Free Edition. Select the first link. Then choose whatever version you need and click it. You download the zip file. Place the zip file wherever you need to. Extract the archive and delete the zip file, you don't need it anymore. Open the folder and here you can find DMDE file, just open it. Select the language of your choosing, accept, and here find your storage. I had USB storage. Click open. And here is your corrupted disk. Now for me it's already scanned, but you might need to do the scan first. And here they are, all the files that were on the corrupted SD card. Select all the files that you want to be recovered and click recover. Now here I didn't change anything. You can select the folder where it will be recovered. So just do that. Click select folder and then recover and wait. It will take a while if you have a lot of files and they are heavy. So just have a little patience and you'll have them soon. In the end, you are left with a beautiful folder of recovered files. After that, you can go ahead and format your flash drive in order to use it again. I really hope this video was helpful to some of you. I will leave a link to the website in the description. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.
Just sharpen the knife, clean my nightmares on the light. Brushstrokes whisper in the night, colors bleed and shapes awake, crafting heroes' hearts that break.